Hello everyone, my name is Neforest. In this video, I will show you how to remove the Reels tab and other distracting elements from Instagram. Step 1. Go to the links I have in the description down below. The first one to go to is this Discord server called iota Theta. The second one to go to is called ArcticSign. Theta is going to be the Instagram tweak I will show you how to install and use. ArcticSign will be the way to sideload this tweak onto your iPhone. These are the other websites you need to go to. Go to the iota Theta Discord server, specifically on your computer, laptop, and go to the how to purchase Theta channel right here. The quickest way you're gonna get the role that is completely necessary in order for this to work is the Theta Lifetime. It's a one-time purchase of $10 USD of a Discord role. I'm gonna go and pay through the Discord shop. Now I just bought it here. It will show right here that I have Theta Lifetime. The second thing you need to purchase is the Theta Certificate. Prime tier is fine. It's necessary for what we're gonna do later on. Step 3. Enable developers mode on your iPhone. The first thing you want to go to is to your app store and to search up Apple Developer. Once you have it installed, you go into it and you go to this page and you're gonna sign in. So once you're signed in into your Apple account, you gotta reboot your phone. Once you're back up, go to settings, go all the way down to privacy and security, go all the way down to developer mode. It will be there, and turn it on. This will again prompt you to restart your phone, so give me a minute. Step 4. Uninstall Instagram. Step 5. Go to the Theta server and download the 3 most recent unique files in the releases channel. Step 6. Find your UDID. Go to the UDID Arctic website right here and press on the button Get UDID Now. I'm going to allow. We're going to have to go to our settings. I'm going to go here. We're going to go to General. Go all the way down to VPN and Device Management right here. And it's right there, ArcticSign. We're going to install it right here. It will then put you here into your default browser and you'll get your unique identifier. Step 7. ArcticSign. The important thing you want to do with this information is to copy the code that you have been provided and then to go to the ArcticSign Discord server and to go to the channel that is called Make a Ticket. That is in between announcements and giveaways. Press on the Submit Your Purchase. This will open up a ticket chat where you're able to paste in the membership ID that is in your email that should be specifically from ArcticSign. You might need to check your spam folder in some cases. Once you have done that, you will be given the option to name your iPhone whatever you want, and then it will prompt you to submit your UDID code, which you're gonna go there, copy it, and then paste it into the chat, and it will give you a specifically tailored file for you to download. First one is a zip file, a certificate for your specific phone with the file name named after the name that you chosen, with the password being 1, and the more important file being at the very bottom, being a files website that you're gonna go to and download from. Now the password that you're gonna need to get is right below it. I'm gonna paste it here and download certificate and just put it into the same folder that everything else is there. Then in that same website, there's going to be a option at the bottom saying install Feather or install eSign. We're going to go for Feather in this case. Step 8. The next thing you need to do is to go to that one folder where everything is at and to hold on to the certificate zip file and to uncompress it. There you will have everything you need for the next steps. The next thing you need to do is to press on signed output.ipa and it will take you to the Feather app. Go to the library section and import your IPA. Import from files, and we're going to go to that one folder where we have everything, and we're going to have Theta Signer right here. It's going to show up like that. I'm going to get one again, signed output.ipa. It's going to take some time because it's a large file. I'm going to need to add a bunch of sources. These are the featured ones right here. So we're gonna add everything. But the most important one is to add the feather repository. Next, what we're gonna do is to sign the Theta signer right here. We already have it signed right here. I'm gonna sign Instagram itself. The next thing you need to do is to press on the days thing right there at the right and press install. Press install again for Instagram itself. Now your screen should look like this. You should have Theta Signer and Instagram, the app itself. So we're gonna go to Theta Signer and we're gonna log in with Discord. It's gonna check our role in the specific iota Theta Discord server that we have. Now this app is going to prompt you to connect to this bot called Mo Lester, and you need to authorize it. Next, it's going to prompt you to import a .p12 certificate, to import a provisioning profile, to grab an Instagram IPA, and to grab Theta files. So we're gonna go to that one folder where we have everything in it. We're gonna go to that certificate folder we got earlier. We're gonna go to developer and go to the file that ends with .p12. Password, that's just gonna be the number 1. Certificate is good. Grab Instagram IPA. Alright, so this is, I'm guessing you're supposed to get the other files. We're grabbing the Theta files right here. Theta 5.1. Fucking emoji, man. Then you need to type out com.bourbon.instagram in the lower field, because that is the same exact link that is going to affect the sideloaded version of Instagram and inject the Theta tweak. And you have everything good to go right there. Extracting the IPA. We'd like to install Instagram. Install. So let's check it out. It's installing right now. Let's give it some time. Authenticate Theta with Discord to use it. Would you like to do this now? Yes. And it will bring up this Discord login page again. Here we go again. We're gonna need to authorize it again, but in Instagram this time. And now we have Theta. It has this start screen right here. There's a little cog at the top right section of the screen right there. So now these are the big ones. Disable ads and disable suggested posts. So let's do that. Disable ads, disable suggested posts. Story Ghost, manually mark stories as seen. This actually might be a very useful one. Save media to your camera roll. Full screen posts. Disable auto advance. That'd be good too. Disable scrolling reels. Get rid of the brain rot. So before I go into the interface section of the Theta mod right here, this is what my regular explore page looks like. Just all of these distractions, all of the moving images, all at the same time. All of these images of thumbnails, everything. Well, let's go to the settings interface right here. This is the big one. Hide Reels tab. So right now, there's the Reels tab at the place that it is. We're gonna hide it. Hide Explore Grid, just that grid I showed you earlier. So we're gonna disable that.
But yeah, I almost hope I get in trouble with the female cop, you know? I almost hope you get in trouble. They got the uniform on, you know, they get a little rough with you, they push you up against the car. Whoa, whoa, take it easy. Whoa, whoa, relax back there. It's quiet. Hey, shut up, perp. Whoa.
You may see that it isn't immediately working. It's a bit inconsistent because the Explore grid is gone, completely gone, but the Reels tab is still there and you can still get distracted. So here's how you do it. First off, go to any profile, just any profile that has photo exclusive posts, just all photos, no videos. And you're supposed to tap on that download button that's right next to the send button right there at the very right here, and to go into full screen current media. And it doesn't matter how long you're in it, you can just get out of it very quickly, and then you'll find that it works. These explore grids right here, if you're looking for something very specific, you would see right here that I'm trying to scroll and you can't. You absolutely can't scroll down on these reels, and it's only limited to just that one video right there. And yes, you're gonna have to do that every single time, almost every single time you go back into the app. The developer Kanji, the one that he showcased in the Twitter post that made me make this video, is the one that actually works, but the public one that I'm showing you right now doesn't. I swear, man, once that version, the working version actually comes up, this will be a game changer. It's a little complicated, but it'll be absolutely worth it. Plus, with the price that you see me pay. No bullshit, no memes. Let's go. Step 0. You know damn well what I'm gonna say. You know damn well. Delete Instagram